Hey guys, how you doing? Stay tuned after the match preview to find out why this car is like no other slot car I've ever seen before. Find out, stay tuned. Here we go, guys! Hey Albert, track fan!
Through tunnel cam, we've had a crash, we derailed it on Gambon.
Hey Albert, hey Wilfred, track fans, how you all doing out there? Welcome to track 109, and we are going to have a great time on this episode. So, track 109, let's have a recap. That was track 108. If you missed it, go and watch it. It was amazing. Track 109, here it is. So, let's see. Does the track resemble track 109? You can just about see it at the bottom of the page. You can see it in reality here, guys. It's going to be a great race. Right, let's get rid of that. Oh, nearly knocked the ladder over on the new scenery. We've got a camera crew. Let's have a quick look at the camera crew, everyone, because you won't see it when this thing starts racing. Oh my gosh. Check that out. Love that. Tucked away to check out the R4 corner full of venom. Anyway, no further ado, let's get on with ourselves. Track 109, Albert Wilfred track fans, let's drive into the first corner, Bentley bend around a hammerhead and up into the banked curve. We've got a banked curve for the first time ever in track fans history. We've bought a banked curve and I'm having issues getting the slots. The older people out there, bite your tongue. Anyway, back to it, back to the race. We are on fire. The new Camry is struggling to keep up with the Lancia on the track. Banked curve, as I was saying before, R4 into Hammerhead. No Bentley round to Hammerhead. Still learning the track. Over there, we've got the bank corner. Amazing. Now, the bank corner is a new bit of kit that I bought, Scalextric. I don't know the part number, I'm not that sad, but if someone does, comment, leave a comment. So anyway, Lancia, it is loud. It's louder than me, which is saying something. Honestly, I'm so infatuated with watching the car drive. I'm just amazing bit of kit. Front lights work. It's got a die-cast spoiler, which means it is bolted on. And just get a bit of focus. Look at the livery on it. Oh, detail is exceptional. But the question is, what makes this car different from all of the other slot cars that we've seen and I've seen that you've not seen yet? Stay tuned. You'll see it in the garage after this. In fact, I'm thinking of doing the garage indoors because it is cold in the den today. I think it's about 2 degrees. I'm surprised you can't see the steam coming out of my mouth, coming across the camera. So, back to the Lancia on track 109. We're here. The lights are on. We've had a tidy up in the den. We've wiped the track. The track is good. Oh, we got a bit of kick out on the Lancia. So it's loud. What else? It drives really well. I really enjoy this. I actually bought 2 of these. I bought one for me, one for my lad who started to come up to Rockingham Slot Car Club with us every Friday night for the racing events. Everyone's welcome up there. Just get in touch via the website on the email or to your local slot car club. There's some amazing guys around the country. You've got Wolverhampton, Great Bar, South Staffs, Weybridge, just to mention a few. And if I've missed you and you want to shout out, leave a comment, guys. I'm not a mind reader. My crystal ball is not working. So, the Lancia drives really well. Now, this car is actually on one of the classes on the Rockingham Slot Car Club. I think it's Group 5, but I can't remember. That's how new I am to racing, track fans. Whoa, we got a rash. We derailed. He's off again, second time in this race. This is incredible. Not even focused on it. Anyway, back to it. Lancia on the track, giving it some attack. Yes, throttle down. Let's start to race a little bit now. So, oh, look at the speed on it. I can't wait to get this up the club. I don't know actually how this will perform because the thing that separates this from every other car that I've driven, which I'm going to show you in a little while. Stay tuned for a couple more minutes. I don't know how to modify that. Honestly, I've never seen anything like it, but I'm fascinated. Albert, how you doing, mate? Wilfred, go get some snacks for your brother. Get me one while you're there too. So let's give a few shout outs before I come in for the final lap. So shout out to Paul up in Nottingham, to Simon in Swaddling Coat, to Neil wherever you are, mate, to Cozzy, to Mark, hello, and whoever else I missed, you're amazing. Oh, actually, we've got some French guys coming on. Bonsoir, bonsoir. That means good evening in French, everyone. See, never lose it. It's like riding a bike. Je parle en français, c'est très bien, monsieur, which actually means I don't speak French very well. That's all you need to know next to bière, which is the universal language for beer. Right then, last lap on the Lancia. Brilliant, I love this car. Whoa, let's give it some rice. No, come on, let's have another lap because that was too... Kick out drift on the... Let's go, yeah. Oh, we have so much fun in the Track Fans Den. So much fun, it is incredible. Anyway, I'm so excited, I'm off for a lay down. Stay tuned now, garage is coming up. I'm going to do it from a different environment because it is brass monkeys in here, guys. See you soon, Track Fans, see you soon. Hey Albert, Track Fans, Wilfred, how you all doing? You caught me doing the last screw on the car. This is the Lancia Beta Monte-Carlo 24 hours Le Mans from Fly Racing. As you'll see on the screen, I'll just put a little extract up. This car falls in the racing categories. This car falls into Group C. Do you know what? I'm having a mental block now. Hang on, don't let me do me tablet password live online. Sorry, Group 5. Group 5. It's my Porsche that's in the Group C. See, I'm still learning like everyone else. Anyway, so what I did was after Christmas and my birthday, I decided I wanted to get a car for each class of the racing every Friday at Rockingham. So like Group C, Group 5, GT3, GT, Formula 1, 1960s, 70s Polycar Formula 1. That is ace, by the way, I love that. And so on. So I went down the list, and here you can see the list on the screen. There it is, and you clearly see there Lancia. So I bought that one. I thought, okay, well, you know, I don't know much about it, and the guys have said talk to them about cars before buying them so they can advise on the best one. But what I tend to find, and probably for a reason, is that everyone seems to race the same cars. So there'll be 4 Capris on the track, or 4 Lancias on the track, or 4 whatever it may be on the track. So I thought, oh, Lancia, I remember seeing someone driving a Lancia, so it can't be that bad. I'll just sneak in and I'll get one. It was low cost, which I thought was quite interesting, probably half the price of an NSR car. And now I understand why. So I'm going to share this with you. I've undone the screws. I want to know what, and if you want to know why, this is unlike any other slot car I've ever seen. Here it comes. Can we have a drum roll at the back, please? Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Can any eagle-eyed slot car enthusiasts tell me what is different? Well, I'll help you out. You get my pointer. Here, look. There's no axle. There's no axle. The wheels literally just go in on their own. And as you can see from the race, absolutely not flat at all. They need polishing, those ones. But the back tyres, look at those. Look at those specimens. They need truing like you wouldn't believe. However, that being said, so the point being is if there's no crossbar, how do I ensure that these are as low to the, these are set to a position to allow the guide rail to be as close to the track as possible? And the honest answer is, I have no idea. Absolutely none. So I'm going to have to go down the track and find out on Friday. So we're going to come back to the Lancia with no axle, just two independent wheels, and see what we can do. Anyway, on that note, the first ever slot car to have no front axle. Incredible, Albert, incredible. Anyway, on that note, track fans, Wilfred, Albert, I'll see you soon. Ta-da, mate.